I'm Chris Sachs, the co-founder of Cognition, and today I want to show you how Toolcog works seamlessly with Claude Cowork. So I've got Claude Cowork here open. My connection to Toolcog was inherited from setting it up on Claude.ai, but I could go to Manage Connections if you haven't installed Toolcog, and you can say Add Custom Connector, Toolcog, then mcp.toolcog.com, and that's it. That's all you need to do to add universal API access to Claude Cowork. So I figured let's use Stripe and see if Claude can kind of do some data analysis on a sandbox Stripe account that I'm connected to. And Claude Cowork is great at generating spreadsheets and presentations. And by giving it access to the entire Stripe API with permissions, we get all the goodness of Claude Cowork with access to Stripe data. So it's thinking, and notice it's find API previously. It's discovering what it can do. It's gone ahead and found my account. Let's see, please create a spreadsheet with interesting findings. So you notice the Toolcog is the main connector and context here. Okay, we asked a question. It wants to know what kind of information are we looking for. Let's go with all of the above. So one of the challenges with many MCP servers is they have a subset of the API. A typical MCP server has sort of 1% of the API coverage of the actual SaaS service you're connecting to. The GitHub API MCP server, for example, has 35 operations, whereas Toolcog exposes all 1,000 plus operations. Stripe, I think, has 650 odd APIs, all exposed through Tool Cognition. You get the full API surface without the context window bloat, because using Tool Cognition, the model is searching and discovering tools on the fly rather than having a pre-selected set of tools preloaded into its context window. So you'll see it kind of doing this, making a whole lot of API calls. And notice it's as it goes, as it finds information, it may change its plan and look for new operations as it goes. So it didn't know what the list operations API was, but it decided it needed that. And went and found what it needed, and then immediately started using them to gather the information that it needs. Looks like there's not a whole lot of data in the account. Actually, a fun experiment thing to watch is to ask Claude to create a product line in Stripe. So Claude Cowork is using its Excel skill here to create its spreadsheet based on the information it gleaned from Stripe. See its progress up here. It's finished doing pulling the information from Stripe. And a simple spreadsheet. But that's Claude Cowork using universal API access through Toolcog.